are fighting for Morsum black bears. Let's begin. Formosan black bear are Taiwan's bear. They have a white V on their chest. We see cute Formosan black bear toys and pictures everywhere, but there are few real bears. There are only 200 to 600 of them.
台湾黑熊的胸前有白色的 V 字形，非常可爱。我们常看到它们的照片或玩具，但真正的台湾黑熊非常少，只有200到600只。
These bears are an umbrella species. Umbrella species help keep other wild animals living in the same place safe. So these bears are very important.
台湾黑熊是保护小动物，意思就是保护它们的同时，也能保护其他和它生活相关的野生动物。所以台湾黑熊很重要。Taiwan wants to know where the bears are. It gives people money for taking pictures of them.
政府想知道这些黑熊住在哪里，所以会付钱给拍到黑熊照片的人。
This summer, the Onaho indigenous community built a Formosan black bear. It was the first time one was seen in Kaohsiung this year. Taiwan gave the Onaho $50,000.
今年夏天，高雄的 Onaho 原住民部落拍到了黑熊，这是今年第一次在高雄看到台湾黑熊。这个部落获得5万元。
The Onaho community helps keep the bears safe. It watches the bears home with camera. It looks for bear tracks, hunters, and other things that can hurt bears.
Onaho 部落协助保护黑熊的安全，他们用摄影机观看黑熊的家，并且寻找猎人、捕熊夹或其他可能伤害黑熊的东西。
Taiwan wants more people to help keep Formosan black bear and other wild animals safe. They keep our environment healthy. And that's ICRT for today. I'm Nisha.
I'm Nini.
Thanks for listening. Goodbye.